Hi friends, sorry, I'm a bit of a mess. I just went on a walk with my husband and he is in running an errand. Earlier today, I realized I had filmed a video about a new nib holder that I bought before I left for London, and I filmed an unboxing and I did some samples, and then I forgot all about it. And I was doing some ink samples yesterday and I said, oh my gosh, I don't think I ever released this video. So let's jump back and we are going to see this stunning nib holder that I purchased from Papa J Woodworks on Instagram. One of the things you're gonna see about this nib holder that I love so much is that it's more of a standard size as opposed to the long wooden nib holder. So I'm using my Kakimori Brass Nib. However, this holder is just a dream and it's absolutely beautiful. So let's jump back. I hope you enjoy it, friends. I have a little bit of a glare from the sun right now, but it'll be good natural lighting to showcase this beautiful fountain pen nib holder that I ordered from Papa J's Woodworks. I saw this blank on Instagram and I knew immediately that this was the fountain pen nib holder that I had been waiting for. This is the pink lemonade blank. Okay, let's see. Look at this. Oh my gosh, the glitter right here and the little transparent spots. And he even sent some Diamine Flamingo ink in pink to go. I love the packaging. It's simple. Okay, what I'm so excited about is that this is smaller in length, so this will likely fit into my pen case. I love the swirl of gold here and the spots that are transparent. It is just absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. Let me find my Kakimori nib. We have to put this all together. Okay, no joke. I just took an hour to find my Kakimori nib, and this is exactly why this is so perfect. Because this is so long, it doesn't fit in any of my pen cases. This was in the trash. I just emptied the trash in my office just to see, and I dumped it into a larger trash and out popped this. Oh my gosh, this was like meant to be. I am so happy that this arrived. First of all, let's look at this closely because it is a sight. Just beautiful. The polish job is gorgeous. Here's a comparison between the pink lemonade one that I just got. This is my first like fancy nib holder and I'm so excited. So this, I think, will fit wonderfully in my pen case. This pen case is pretty beat up, but yeah, it just goes right in there. And then the nib, it's gonna be perfect. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Like, let's compare what this looks like next to, say, my, oh, I'm trying to screw it off and that's not gonna work. Okay, so it is a bit longer, but almost, this is my Leonardo Angel skin. I'm sorry, I was really flustered when I just discovered that in the trash. So it's a similar height without the nib in there. But let's just pop that nib in, and then we are gonna find some beautiful pink ink to complement this. So this Kakimori nib just pops right out. I bought this at the actual Kakimori store in Japan. That was a quest we went on that day to find that store. It was fantastic. This is just gonna pop right in there. Hold on. Let me put my glasses on because I can't really see, and I'm gonna come down here. So I'm a little bit closer. Okay, so there it is. And this just pops right in, I think. Does it not go all the way in? It doesn't look like it goes all the way in. I'm just taking a peek here to see if this should fit all the way in, but maybe not. If I twist it, maybe? That's a little better. This is absolutely beautiful. We'll see how this works. So this is my new Navalar pen. As long as it fits in the case. Is it gonna fit in the case? Maybe not with the nib because it peeks out a little bit. Oh no, that's not bad. It does. Okay, this was really important to me, especially since this was just in the trash. Like, I need to be able to store this with the rest of my pens. Look at this beauty. Oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous. Okay, let's see what we have for ink. Put this back in here and let's find some ink samples. All right, so we are gonna look at 12th Night. This is a Wearing Gold exclusive for Atlas. It has blue shimmer in. I kind of wish it had gold shimmer just for this pen, but it's actually really beautiful. And then I also have this Sakura ink from Sailor. This was an ink that I bought when I was in Japan, so we'll do that too. And we can sample the flamingo since he was nice enough to give me flamenco. I think that's really bright, but we're gonna take a look at that as well. I found two other colors that I think would be fun to swatch, and that's Cashmere Rose, and then this is Robert Oster. This is another Atlas exclusive. It's Izzy Monster. Brian was nice enough to gift this to me when I went to visit their store a few months back. This is more purpley, but it's got a lot of shimmer, so I think it'll be fun. I actually think, oh, I don't know. It's going to be a tough call between all of these. I just want to give this a spin. Isn't this absolutely beautiful? I'm so happy that I waited for the right pen to come along. That's the thing. It's so easy to see so many beautiful things online and want to jump on it, but this one I just knew was the one for me. All right, so let's give these a try. Okay, here's my little ink book. I've been really enjoying the horizontal view on this notebook from Moistrum. Okay, let's see if we can get them all on this page. I think we should be able to do that. I'm sorry for the glare. I'm just going to do little samples. So let's start with this. There'll be some mad shadows in this video. Sorry. Give that shimmer a nice shake. What's nice about the Kakimori dip pen is that it gives you, if you write on the side, it really puts down a ton of ink. So you can go like this. And then you can also do like a fine line if you want to, and then like a medium line. Yeah, so it does a really nice job. I just thought it would be fun to highlight some pink inks with my new pink lemonade pen. And it's so nice. I don't think I spelled Wearingle right. Sorry. E-A-L. Wearingle. It's just so nice to hold this like a normal pen. I mean, this is nice, but it's just so lightweight and it's a little bit slippery. This makes the swatching experience so nice. So let's go like this. I love the shimmer. Sometimes it's just fun to play with ink, even if you're not writing. Oh, look at that sparkle. Isn't that gorgeous? So I'm just gonna dip this. I'm gonna start the next one. I do love having a brass nib because it's just so durable. Let's try the Cashmere Rose. I think this is gonna be really pretty. I haven't put this in a pen yet. I think I need to. Oh my gosh, this dip pen is just beautiful. You know, I thought that gap was gonna bother me, but it's still wonderful. Doesn't seem to bother me at all here. Ooh, that's beautiful. This is like that dusty. And we'll do a fine line and a medium line. This is from the 2023 Ink Vent calendar. It's such a pretty pink. I think this is pretty close to Aphrodite, although it's been so long since I've seen that I don't even know. This is, oh, that's so nice. What do we think? This nib is so nice on a beautiful nib holder like this. Sorry if my camera's shaking. My overhead light, it actually just moves a lot when I write on the table. Hey, let's go for this. This is very purpley. I haven't inked anything with this yet either. Oh, this is very purple. Fun. This was named after Brian's daughter, Izzy. They call her Izzy Monster. Ooh, it's like grape soda. Make that one a little thicker. Okay, I need to put this cap on right away. It's Izzy Monster. By Robert Oster. So I have 2 Atlas exclusives here. I think my 10% is good on both of these inks. Can't wait to see the shimmer come through on this. I want to color something in. I cannot believe how this transforms the experience of using a dip pen. This is just so beautiful. I can't get over it. I'm in the shadows here. I'm so sorry. All right. Let's do my Sakura next. I think this is a really nice match to this. I'm a huge fan of any light pink that's actually legible, and I think this fits the bill. I love Sailor ink so much. Wait a second there. There we go. This may have a formal name. Actually, it probably does because it's written in Japanese on the front here, and I know I've translated it before. But I think Sakura's in that. This is a really pretty match to this. Kind of making a hydrangea is what my idea was. Do I have anything with a green? Oh, I think this has some green in it. I'll do some leaves off of this. Oh, I cleaned this pen out. It doesn't have any ink left. Sadness. Okay. You get the idea. You got my hydrangea there. Diamine Flamingo ink is what Luke sent me as a sample, which was so nice. This is going to be bright and punchy. Ooh, look at that. This actually reminds me of the Pilot Iroshizuku pink that I just bought. Maybe we'll compare next to it. It actually looks really nice. Oop, I got a little spot right there. Does that look like a flamingo? I don't even know. I think I was doing okay until I drew his legs, but you know what? We're okay. You know what I screwed up on? The neck has to come around. It needs to be much more of like an S shape. All right, well, I have to work on my flamingo. Let's try Teranishi Rose. It's sitting right here. Definitely a dusty brown. Well, now you really see the brown in that. Wow. Do one more heart. Give him some stuff. Okay. So here are the colors that I sampled. I just grabbed some fun colors because I was inspired by this pink lemonade. Unbelievable. I am so excited that I went for this. This was a rather impulsive purchase. I've been really wanting a nib holder for a long time, but I just never saw one that spoke to me like this pen. So be sure to check out Papa J Woodworks on Instagram. Gave me a little sticker here. Yeah, the packaging was great. Shipping was so fast. Absolutely beautiful. He also, like I said, included a little ink sample, which I thought was so sweet. And I think his prices vary. This particular nib holder cost $100. And well worth it for all of the artistry and time that goes into this. So thank you so much. Let me know in the comments what you think of Pink Lemonade. I think it's just beautiful.